Unearth a world beyond stone and mortar, beyond myth and legend and the painted layers on a canvas. Untap Europe's essence at land and sea, a vibrant mosaic where dramatic riverbeds, sprawling forests and towering peaks collide with millennia of human history. Discover the old world's true colors. Those found in Monemvasia's time-forgotten fortress atop the endless Aegean's sapphire waters, savored in Bordeaux's centuries of winemaking heritage. Witnessed as the night breathes life into a destination. With more overnight stays, Azamara Club Cruises invites you on a destination immersion experience. Explore further.